Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Michigan Avenue. Today we'll take a deep dive into the current condition of Michigan Avenue. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Michigan Avenue. Without further delay, let's dive in. Overall, Michigan Avenue is in good condition, especially the further you get away from the downtown area. However, before leaving the downtown Detroit area, drivers will run into road cracks and potholes, which pose significant challenges for drivers. These road cracks, often exacerbated by Michigan's freeze-thaw cycles, create uneven road surfaces that can damage vehicle tires, suspensions, and alignments, leading to costly repairs. The deteriorated road conditions also increase the risk of accidents, as drivers may swerve to avoid hazards or lose control on uneven pavement, particularly during inclement weather. Also, the concave manhole covers on Michigan Avenue often result from wear or improper installation, as they sit below the road surface, causing jarring impacts that can damage vehicle tires, wheels, and suspensions, especially at higher speeds. The road seams on Michigan Avenue, particularly those from patchwork repairs or expansion joints, are frequently uneven or cracked, exacerbating instability and increasing the risk of skids or loss of control, especially in wet or icy conditions. These conditions are particularly problematic on Michigan Avenue due to its heavy traffic, including commercial vehicles and the strain from Detroit's harsh weather cycles. Drivers must remain vigilant to avoid these obstacles, which can lead to sudden swerving or braking, heightening the potential for accidents. Additionally, drivers should be vigilant of the parked automobiles on the side of the road on Michigan Avenue. The parked automobiles along the sides of Michigan Avenue present notable dangers for some drivers navigating this busy street. This setup increases the risk of collisions, as drivers may need to swerve to avoid opening car doors or pedestrians stepping out from between parked cars, especially in bustling sections like Corktown or near downtown Detroit. Poorly parked vehicles, such as those protruding into traffic lanes or blocking bike lanes, exacerbate the issue, forcing cyclists and drivers to merge unpredictably. Additionally, during peak rush hours, the presence of parked cars alongside Michigan Avenue can worsen congestion, leading to abrupt stops or risky lane changes. Inadequate signage in some places and faded parking lines in some areas further complicates safe navigation. Also, the presence of skid marks on Michigan Avenue serve as stark indicators of the hazardous driving conditions that plague this busy thoroughfare, posing significant risks for some motorists. Often caused by sudden braking due to uneven road surfaces, the concave manhole covers, or unexpected obstacles like poorly parked cars, these skid marks signal areas where drivers have struggled to maintain control. And the prevalence of skid marks, particularly in high-traffic zones like Corktown or near downtown Detroit, highlights the potential for accidents, as vehicles may lose traction on worn or slick pavement, especially during rain or snow. Also, as you drive on Michigan Avenue, be mindful of the road repair barriers. Although the placement of such barriers will change over time, they seem to be a constant issue on Michigan Avenue, a street that is in constant repair and an area with ongoing construction. Also, drivers should be aware of the middle turning lanes on Michigan Avenue. The center turning lanes are intended to facilitate left turns and U-turns, but they sometimes create significant challenges for drivers navigating this busy street. In high-traffic areas like Corktown or near downtown Detroit, the lane's shared use for both directions often leads to confusion, as drivers may misjudge oncoming traffic or hesitate when entering the lane, increasing the risk of rear-end or head-on collisions. The lane's narrow width and frequent congestion, compounded by parked cars on the side of the road or road imperfections like cracks and concave manhole covers, can make merging into or out of the middle turning lane precarious, especially for less experienced drivers or those unfamiliar with Michigan Avenue. And due to poor visibility, particularly at night or in adverse weather in Detroit, may cause problems for some drivers. Additionally, heavy commercial traffic and the sudden stops by vehicles waiting to turn can cause bottlenecks, leading to abrupt braking and skid marks. Furthermore, drivers may notice the excessive road grime on Michigan Avenue. The accumulated dirt, oil, and debris from industrial activity and constant vehicle use creates slick surfaces, especially during rain or snow, reducing tire traction and increasing the likelihood of skids, as evidenced by frequent skid marks on Michigan Avenue. Also, this grime can obscure road markings, such as those for the center turning lane, leading to confusion and risky lane changes for some drivers. Also, Michigan Avenue is a very bumpy ride near downtown Detroit. However, it is a tale of two roads. Near downtown Detroit, expect a bumpy ride, with cracked pavement, potholes, and patchy repairs that make for a rough stretch that tests your shocks and, for some, your patience. But head farther out and the road smooths out considerably. Outside the city center, Michigan Avenue becomes a much more pleasant drive, with well-maintained road pavement and fewer surprises. It's a major route with character. Just be ready for a bit of a roller coaster near the heart of downtown Detroit. Did you know Michigan Avenue in Detroit is part of the historic US Route 12, one of the oldest roads in America? It originally followed Native American trails and later became a key route for westward expansion. In fact, it was once known as the Chicago Road, connecting Detroit all the way to Chicago, making it one of the first major highways in the Midwest. So when you're driving down Michigan Avenue, you're literally cruising along a piece of American history.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.